Hello, I'm Judy Saltzman, and I'm thrilled to be a part of this year's Florida Watercolor Society's event. Join me for an exciting demonstration where I will be sharing some of my favorite watercolor techniques. During our time together, I will demo the art of layering, splattering, and pouring techniques that will bring depth and luminosity to your paintings. Special attention to mastering values, from capturing powerful lights to rich darks to add drama. I will discuss the materials that I use, including how to combine photos to create large painting series. Whether you are just starting out or have been painting for years, there'll be valuable tips and insights for everyone. So, if you're looking to create an entire painting using these techniques or simply enhance your backgrounds, I invite you to join me for a fun and informative session. I hope to see you there. Thank you.